Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a tour through Little London in Westmoreland. Now Little London is a very popular place in Jamaica right now because the Negril International Airport is going to be built here. We will keep you guys updated as they give more information on this development. But it was announced that Negril would see this massive airport being built. Originally, the plan was to build the airport at the Negril Aerodrome to upgrade that facility to an international airport. But because of the limitations with the length of the runway they could put at the Negril Aerodrome, they decided to find a new location and they selected Little London, which is about 15 minutes from Negril. So the third largest airport is going to be built here in Little London, and it's going to be a game changer for this area. Now everybody knows that when you have an airport, you have a lot of industries and businesses around the airport to support it. So Little London is poised for some massive developments coming in addition to the airport. Also, a highway is coming through this area. So it's a given that an exit will be put for Little London now that the airport is here, so that you can leave the airport, get on the highway, and get to Negril. Also, well, the highway is going from Kingston to Negril. It's going to be Highway 2000 East-West leg. Originally, the highway was to go to St. Elizabeth and then veer north and go towards Montego Bay. That section of the highway will still be built. But in St. Elizabeth, a second route will be built from St. Elizabeth to Negril. So basically, you could get on the highway from Little London and head to Negril, or in the other direction, get on the highway in Little London and head to Kingston or Montego Bay. So this area is basically prime real estate now. So this is the actual town center. No, is this a town center? Yeah. So somewhere out here to the left of where we are is where they're going to be building the airport. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Let us know what you think of Little London and the potential it now has. Alright guys, have a good day.